The Bell UH-1 Iroquois is an American multipurpose helicopter manufactured by Bell Helicopter Textron, also known as the Huey. This is one of the most famous and massive machines in the history of helicopter construction.
In March 1961, an improved version of the -1B helicopter with an HP 960 T-53L5 engine was adopted. The payload of the new helicopter reached 1,360 kilograms. While he could lift 2 pilots and 7 soldiers in full gear or 5 wounded, 3 of them on stretchers, and 1 escort. In the version of the fire support helicopter, machine guns and NUR were installed on the sides of the fuselage.
Subscribe to the channel, it will be more interesting. Thank you in advance.
In early 1965, the UH-1B was replaced in serial production by a new modification of the UH-1C, Model 540, with an improved main rotor, which reduced vibration, improved handling and increased maximum speed. The helicopter was powered by a Lycoming T-55L7C engine. It could carry up to 3,000 kilograms of cargo on an external sling with a takeoff weight of 6,350 kilograms and reach a maximum speed of 259 km/h.
According to the experience of military operations, the Iroquois was continuously improved. New modifications appeared, with improved equipment and more powerful engines. -1D differed from all its predecessors and increased to 623 cubic meters. Cab volume. The payload reached 1,815 kilograms. The helicopter was equipped with a T-53L11 engine with a shaft power of 820 kilowatts.
Very soon, the Iroquois became the workhorse of airborne units. The Americans switched from using rotorcraft as part of small units, platoon, company, to the formation of a helicopter division. In mid-February 1963, the formation of the 11th Air Assault Division and the 10th Aviation Transport Brigade attached to it began.
The Iroquois has become, perhaps, along with the Phantom and the B-52, the most recognizable symbol of the Vietnam War. In just 11 years of the war in Southeast Asia, according to official figures, U.S. Army helicopters made 36 million sorties, flying 13.5 million hours. 31,000 helicopters were damaged by anti-aircraft fire, but only 3,500 of them, 10%, were shot down or made an emergency landing.
Since the beginning of mass production in 1960, more than 16,000 units have been produced. UH-1 of various modifications. Machines of this type have been used in more than 90 countries. A significant part of them are still in flight condition. Given the launch of a new modification, there is no doubt that these helicopters will take to the air for several more decades.
The performance characteristics of the -1 Iroquois. Adopted 1959. Total built 16,000. Modifications. -1N Twin Huey, Bell 204/205, Bell 212, Bell 214. -1Y Vano. The crew of the -1 Iroquois. 1 to 4 people. Capacity. -1 Iroquois. 14 soldiers or 6 stretchers and 1 attendant. Dimensions. -1 Iroquois. Rotor diameter 14. 63 m. Tail rotor diameter 2. 59 m. Fuselage length 12. 77 m. Height 4. 42 m. Weight. -1 Iroquois. Empty 2,363 kilograms. Maximum takeoff weight 4,310 kilograms. Mass of cargo on an external sling 1,759 kilograms. Internal fuel capacity 840 kilograms. Payload. -1 Iroquois. 1,759 kilograms of cargo in the cab or on the suspension. Engine. -1 Iroquois. Quantity, type, brand 1X gas turbine engine, Textron Lycoming T-53L13. Power, kW 1/1044. Speed, -1 Iroquois. Cruise speed 204 km/h. Maximum speed in level flight 222 km/h. Maximum rate of climb 7.6 meters per second. Flight range -1 Iroquois 511 kilometers. Static ceiling -1 Iroquois 4,145 m. Dynamic ceiling -1 Iroquois 5,910 m. Armament -1 Iroquois. Suspended small arms and cannon M60C, M2HB, M134 minigun. Guided missile AGM-22, BGM-71 TOW. Unguided rockets 7-round or 19-round 70mm rocket pods.
Ты не забыл подписаться и поставить лайк.